open membership, attendance and accommodations at the 2016 Mackinac Policy Conference, opportunity to pitch at the Mackinac Policy Conference, and consulting services from the following companies: the Comcast Business Solutions, Tanner Friedman, Level One Bank, and Varnum. Drum roll, please.
Well, let me just say the following, if I may, and following up
Dennis,
on...
I got to talk about it. Hold on.
Before we make the announcement, because I think that the comments made by Mayor Bing, along with the discussion that's going to follow later about inclusion, is important. And if you look at the 4 teams that presented today, those 4 teams that presented today were all diverse. And I think that's important, and it's representative of Detroit and what teams should look like and what businesses should look like. So I appreciate that. A little bit about our discussion and our decision-making process. It was very tough, and a lot of times when you have these contests, everyone says that it was a very tough decision. But in this instance, we were supposed to sit in the room for maybe 5 minutes, and we were in there for much longer because it was a tough decision. So let me first talk about those that did not win and what we did like about those winners, those participants. And the first I'll talk about is boots on the ground. They were not going to be the awardee today, but we think that they have a promise